Hello everyone, my name is Sim Ming from Lineman. We're a service in Thailand. Nice to meet you all. Lineman was the first ever food delivery application in Thailand. So we started off from food delivery and we slowly expanded to other services such as taxi hailing, messenger service, parcel delivery, as well as buying items from groceries and supermarkets. Now we call ourselves #1 daily life assistant in Thailand. We learned about HMS in 2019 and we always wanted to reach as many users as possible. We want to give as many choices to users as possible. And expansion is a very big theme for us in 2020, not only in terms of number of provinces that we can serve, but also in terms of number of platforms that we can support. We know that Huawei smartphone users can access Huawei App Gallery, and that's why we want to be there. We have launched the first version of our HMS application in June 2020. Lineman uses Location Kit and Maps Kit inside HMS. The reason is that our services are very heavily dependent on the user's locations, so that's why we integrated these two APIs first. Maps Kit and Location Kit, they're very similar in terms of implementation to the other existing mobile services as well. So it's very easy to implement and deploy to our applications. So one thing in addition to using these SDKs is that we added logic inside our applications to determine what kind of mobile services the user is using. And determine by this, depends on the mobile service that the user is using, we can choose which kind of map that we want to display to the users as well. This allows us to use one single APK to support all the mobile platforms. And this reduces a lot of time in terms of testing, in terms of deployment, in terms of doing continuous integration and maintenance on our side as well. And with one APK, with one application, we can support not only Huawei App Gallery, but also other app markets at the same time. We have launched our HMS service back in June. It's been only 2 months. And in that 2 months since the launch, we have tripled the daily users from HMS. We have more than doubled our orders. The integration process with HMS SDKs was quite easy. And we hope that Huawei team can continue to improve the SDK and stability so the integration process can be as smooth as possible.